There's Penn Station. I wait for my train. 20 minutes. So me I will a reason we don't know. Alright guys. You know, last night I day in my bed and me I will a meds. And me I say, you know, we not being kind to each other. Sometimes some things happen to we. It's that's one of the reasons. You know, me I watch a video with Wendy Williams and I start to think about the blogger them or the vlogger them where always carry on people and you know talk the worst about people. Wendy was somebody when I watch used to watch Wendy Williams and you know at some point we really enjoy her show. But sometimes when she says some things about other people, I cringe. When I say I cringe because I say, oh my God, no, that's gone too far, you know. But she was vibesy and, you know, but at the same time, we have to be careful how we deal with people. I hope people cry. Listen, you see what drop off a head, drop on shoulder. And sometimes some things that we do in our life, it not reach we, but it reach the kids them away. Somebody feel we. So I have to be careful of the things. You know, my grandmother used to say, do good and good follow. And if you can't do good, no do nothing. You understand? So my goal is we need to do good. Pay more attention to the surrounding and don't hurt people. Don't hurt people. Don't go to your way for disrespect and hurt people because it don't help none of it. It don't help us. It just bring we down. No. You badmouth somebody on social media and cause them for cry, cause them for bawl. Where you think them tears are go? Tears is a language that only God understands. And you see the person we are going through it, the pain and the suffering. Listen, Beyonce, Nicki Minaj, Rihanna, they were very, and not just that, a bunch of them were Wendy talk about and talk bad about. Some of them are make up story. Some of them not sound like them real, what she said. But it hurt them because she run with certain things and she said certain things where hurt people. So we have to be careful what we do in our life. When, as we said, when there was somebody when me watch, when there was somebody when me love me like her vibes, but sometimes she says some things, me don't agree with them. And then when you look upon her now, it made me start to wonder if a karma, if are the things that she say and how she hurt people's feelings, why these things are happening to you. And reality, sometimes some things that reach people in life and you always say, why this a reach me? Sometimes I wish somebody were close to you do. And because you not pray enough for your protection and you just live in this on this earth. Yeah, police station. Because you just live on this earth and you just live. You now be grateful for it and give thanks for what you have. You just live as a human being. You know, give God thanks. You know, pray. You know, ask God to cover you. After you hurt somebody's feelings, you go down and pray to God and ask Him to forgive you. How you do it? How you do it? How you get up every day and badmouth people? Or you get up every day and think say it's okay for you. You violate and disrespect people's feelings. How you think that is okay for you to do it? It is just not right. And this is a message to all the bloggers or vloggers who out there will tear down each other. There's so much good in the world for us to do and uplift each other. If you hear of a story talk it as it is. Don't add to the stories and tear down people and help to make them hurt, cry, because these things are going to fall on the people them that do it. Unhappiness and sadness is not a healthy way to live. And sometimes some things when you hear on social media, you wonder how the people them go in bed go sleep after saying those things about people. How them go in bed go sleep. Even in the comment section, the people them will watch the videos and read the videos. How on heaven and earth gonna live with yourself knowing that they put certain things on the people's video and bringing down other people. It's time for us to change. What we are teaching children them. Wow. Anyway guys, so tell me one thing about this in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for the next video. I have something else I want to say to you this morning when I wake up. When last gonna give somebody something and then telling them how much God bless them and appreciate them? When was the last time God bless you and appreciate you? Huh? When? Sometimes it's what the things them that we do we get blessing for. Sometimes we give somebody something and them don't show appreciation, but God see what you do. God see and Him know and Him appreciate what you did. So whenever you're doing things to others, do it with a willing heart. If you're not going to do it with a willing heart, then you're not going to get any blessing, and then it doesn't matter. It's not going to matter. So whatever you do it with a clean heart, do it with a clean mind, or don't do it at all because you won't get any blessing for it. Turn to God, and we need to change from our ways. I mean, it's the end of time, but at the same time we need to clean up our act, clean up ourselves, and surround ourselves with good and healthy people who will keep us. Yeah, good and healthy people that will keep us going and support what we do. You know, keep us going, motivate us. Don't choose to be around people who are negative, who constantly make you feel bad of yourself. Don't do it. Stay strong, stay focused. But tell this all the time, I'd rather be alone than being unhappy, and that just don't go for just a relationship. That go for friends and the people that you surround yourself with. Don't add to things that you see on the internet. Don't go, if you're going to comment on somebody's video, don't bother comment if it's something negative. Motivate people. Self-love. A lot of us don't love ourselves, and that's why we're so mean to others. So we need to develop self-love. Anyway guys, I'm out. Just stop by, bless up on yourself, and give you a little speech, motivational speech hopefully. And drop in the comment section and tell me what you think, if I'm right or not. Love each other, nothing beat love. And if you don't really feel like say a karma why things are like this, I say when I watch the videos online, I say I can't believe when they is a young person, I'm not gonna say sickness not affect people. I watch my train. I watch my train time because when I want to miss my train. I'm not gonna say sickness not cause people feel go down like this. But sometimes it's the things them that you say and you hurt people. Them something they affect us. It affects us, so we must be careful what we put out there and having people talk negative about you. Be careful what you do and put out there and having people on your back spreading negative on you, because I'm sure if my mother or my sister watch you tearing me down and start to badmouth you, I start to wish bad on you. Just imagine that. You have a lot of people who love me are going to wish bad on you. So when you start to wish bad on you, then karma come down for you. And that I have to say, and that I believe. Tell me if you don't think me wrong. Bless up on a nice clean self. Enough love. Adios. You're gone. Penn Station. That Penn Station. Right. Okay, so the Dover train up there, so this is a 151. Yeah, 151 gets you one for 151. Okay, track 2 for the train. New York, Penn Station. Track 2 for the train. Track 2, track 1. When you're at Penn Station trying to find a train, trying to find your train, what do? You have to read? New Jersey Transit. Okay. New Jersey Transit. LIRR. New Jersey Transit. Got it. La 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 la.